Here are two methods that help you fix your lock screen iPhone that is stuck in zoom mode and permanently remove the zoom magnify mode screen. The first easy method is to use 3 fingers. Quickly double tap the screen with 3 fingers to zoom out. If it's not working correctly, then try again and again. This is the easiest and most direct method to temporarily disable zoom. Once you get your screen back to normal, turn off this 3-finger double tap for zoom screen action from settings. You will not accidentally turn it on in your pocket or by your kids. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Accessibility and tap on the Zoom option. Turn off the toggle and that's it. If this option is enabled, then your iPhone screen magnifies the entire screen. So keep this disabled for all the time. I hope you like this video and it will help you to fix the zoom screen stuck on the lock screen or home screen on any iPhone. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.